Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add product descriptions in your store. A well-written product description helps customers understand your product, highlights key features, and can boost your sales. Now, in your Shopify dashboard, to create a product description, we will go to Products. We will select the product we want to add a description to. Simply click on the product. For example, this could be a dessert product. Here, we can see the description field. We can add a description, and we can add more details here. We can include as much information as needed depending on the product. Make sure to include important details, such as the size. Once we are happy with the description, we just click Save. And that is how we add product descriptions in our Shopify store. Clear and detailed descriptions can improve the customer experience and increase conversions.